Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get a
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna get another charge.
Relax.
On June the 2nd, 2024, officers were present when a woman assaulted an employee at a grocery store.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Don't do
Stop. Stop.
Don't
Relax.
do
Relax.
Don't.
Relax.
Get off
You're
of
under
me.
arrest for battery. Stop.
Oh my
Stop.
God.
Relax.
Can you get off
Relax.
of me? I'm pissing my pants.
Awesome.
What the?
She's not going anywhere. Relax.
Get off. I can do it nicely. Get off of me.
Stop moving and give me your hands.
Stop. You're gonna get yourself in trouble.
You
Stop.
don't need to do that, dude.
All right. Move your hand. Just move
You're gonna
it.
get yourself in trouble.
Calm down.
You didn't even use your words.
Stop kicking me or you're gonna get another charge. Stop.
Calm down, Melissa.
Stop.
Calm down.
Stop.
Gonna move your wrist.
Just calm down. Alright?
There you go.
Let's hear what they have to say. I don't know what happened there.
Well, they didn't even want to say anything.
It's not that serious. Relax.
Something happened.
Relax.
Yeah, just relax a little bit. Alright? Come sit down.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
not going anywhere, Pedro.
Are you her driver?
Yeah. I always
Awesome.
Huh? Just calm down.
There you go.
You gotta sit down.
What was all that about?
Yeah.
What was all that about?
Sit down.
Thanks, punk.
Sit down.
Relax.
Stop manhandling me.
Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get a
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna get another charge.
Manhandling me.
Relax. Relax. See if you
Well,
want some
then
medics.
get off of
See
me
if you
and
want some
talk to me
medics.
like
Sit
a
down.
person.
Sit down.
Here, I got her. Sit down. Relax. Relax.
You want the medics?
Yeah, I do.
Here, go talk to him. I got this.
Can I have my other headphones,
I will
please?
grab it. Okay.
Can you help me put it away
Here,
like
give me
I
this.
wanted to
Give me your
do in
phone.
the first place?
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Just calm
Give
down.
me your phone. Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay.
And the headphones should be
I got you. Take a deep breath. Relax. Are you having a bad day?
having a bad life.
Listen to me. It's okay. You can have bad days, right? But you can't go around punching people in the face.
I'm sick of the comments, man. I get it all day long because I'm a pretty girl and I'm sick of it.
I mean, it's a blessing. I get it, though. I get it. I get it. Take a deep breath, okay? Relax, okay? Relax. Okay? We're gonna figure this out, okay? I don't like treating people like that, okay? That's why I was trying to get you to calm down. Where are you staying? Do you have ID on you?
Yeah, it's
Is it
here.
inside? Can I go in there and grab it, please? So listen. We can't be doing stuff like that, okay? It's a little bit different in South Florida. I understand the comments and stuff like that, but you know what they say, beauty is pain. Right? Don't even.
Everybody knows what the f that means. Talk to me like I'm stupid.
Yeah, but listen.
I'm sick of that shit, man.
I know, but listen.
You try and cover that shit up as if it's something else.
Listen, don't even play with me. You got a phone? You have a phone?
Tommy, talk to me. What happened?
No, it was just a very... Okay, so I was getting ready to empty the garbage.
Did you get that from her?
Yeah.
So what happened?
He walks by with all this, and I was exerting some what I thought dry humor. So the cart passed by, and I go, she's very thirsty. I said it to him. And she goes like this, and then she comes up to me, and I don't remember if she said anything, but I thought do you want to mess with me, or something of that nature. And I thought she was joking, like she was going to pretend to hit me. You know, you want to mess with me, you know, kind of like that. So I just stood there, and then she actually made contact and punched me.
With what hand?
With, I believe, her right hand.
Once? And that's how you're bleeding?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to press charges on her, or do you want to get her arrested?
Well, you know, I'll probably be okay, but I'm thinking she can't keep doing this.
I get that. Can I at least get your ID, Tommy?
Huh?
Can I at least get your ID?
I mean, and I don't need this. I got enough going on.
922,
And I was actually just trying to be friendly. And not even really to her, just to anybody who was going out.
2269.
I mean, you might want to ask her what I said. Maybe she thought I said something else. I just go, wow, she's really thirsty.
So you said...
You know, it was kind of like, wow, she's really thirsty. But
So you said, wow, she's really thirsty, and she said, what, are you trying to mess with me? And then that's when she punched you in the face?
Something to the effect of that, yeah. You know, pretty much like it would anybody. It wasn't even
What's your
specific
phone number,
to her.
sir? And you said you don't need the medics?
I don't think so. My tooth, it's not like my tooth are...
Gotcha. Do you want to press charges on her or not? Do you want her to go to jail for what she's done or not?
Well, what happens if we just let her go? We just let her go?
Okay. Well, that's why I got to ask these questions, Tommy. It's not up to me.
What happened?
This lady punched him in the face one time.
Here's exactly what happened. I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and of course you can review the CCTV or whatever. I mean, I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and he, Jafar, who's a witness, I don't know where he is, he was coming through with the water, and I was going to say whatever I was going to say, regardless of who it was. It was like, I thought it was like dry humor. I just go, wow, she's really thirsty, or must be really thirsty, you know, because the whole cart is water. And then she goes like this. She goes, you want to mess with me? Bam! And I just stood there because I actually thought she was kidding. You know, you want to mess with me? Wink, 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 or something. I had no idea that she was actually going to make contact. And they keep asking if I want to arrest her, but I feel like...
So this is hers?
Yeah. But it's like...
You're her driver, right?
It wasn't derogatory.
What are you going to do? What?
You're gonna arrest her or still trying to decide?
I'm still trying to decide.
Okay, yeah.
What
Maybe
if
you
you
need to
decide
find out what happened, man.
Well, we know what happened.
I mean, I see it.
We know what happened.
I mean, she's obviously going to keep doing it.
Tommy, we need a decision right now.
Yeah, decide what you're gonna do. What is there to decide?
All right, I'm going to
leave
arrest.
that up to you. I don't really think
I'm going to have her arrested.
Yeah.
We'll go to court.
Come on.
She needs to go through the process. You know, I got arrested once. I got a DUI in 2010. And I needed to hear it.
Change to 31.
10-4-19-8.
All right. Put her in the car.
Alright, you're gonna take care of my water?
No, that's not going with you because you're going to jail. That's what happens when you punch people in the face in front of the police. And then you fight with us as we're arresting you. 92269, what's one case number, please?
5 years picture. Member of society. Arresting Sunday crimes and water.
92269, 9551, 9551.
I'll be fine, man.
10-4-19-20.
I got her.
I'm gonna take this off, okay?
You're gonna have to do it through. It's over top. It's not a clip.
Okay. So I have to take it off like this?
You might have to undo one of them.
No. Handcuffs are not coming off. My wrist hurts because I was fighting with you, bro. Are you serious?
You didn't even use your words.
I don't have to use my words. Once
Yeah.
once we say you're going to jail, that's it. That's how it works.
You clearly don't know how to follow steps of procedure. And you're finally convinced the white man to have a story with his life. Good for you. I'm so proud of you. Racism. Hold on, I'm sure you're so proud of yourself that you can go home and masturbate about it later. Ooh, did I run? No, I didn't. Look at that.
Tommy!
Oh, Tommy, masturbate about him too.